Hello everyone, welcome to my page as I'll be taking you through Microsoft Office Word. My name is Sakawaka. Microsoft Office Word is a word processing package that is used to type, edit, and even format documents such as letters, memos, and even articles. And today, I'll be showing you how to open Microsoft Office Word from your computer. So follow me as I teach you how to open Microsoft Office Word in your computer. There are different ways one can open Microsoft Office Word on his computer. And one of the most fundamental ways to do that is using the Start button. Before I proceed, let me say that I'm using Windows 11. So the process might be a little bit different, but I assure you it's not going to be completely different or out of place that you won't be able to know what you're doing. So click on this Start button here. When you click on it, move your mouse to All Apps. If you are using Windows 11, click on All Apps and then scroll down. Scroll down till you see Word. WORD. Once you see Word, click on it and Microsoft Office Word will open for you. Another way is for you to use the infamous search bar on your computer. So you come to your taskbar and you click on the search bar. Yes, this very infamous search bar here. Click on it and type what you are looking for. Anything you are looking for at all that is in your computer, you type it there. But for now, our focus is on opening Microsoft Office Word. So you type Word. Once you type it, Word will come out. And once you see this infamous icon here, having this W, you know that that is Microsoft Office Word. You can either click on it here or click on Open. Anyone you click on, Microsoft Office Word will open for you. Now, another way you can do it, because I said there are various ways one can open Microsoft Office Word. Another way is if you have Microsoft Office Word pinned to your desktop environment, which is this environment here, or you have it pinned to your taskbar. So what you do is locate the icon, which is this icon here, locate it on your taskbar and click on it. And here you have it. Microsoft Office Word will open for you. Next time I'll be showing you how to create Word documents from the scratch and also using templates. Until my next video, keep on liking and sharing this video. And if you have any challenge or there's another way someone can open Microsoft Office Word, please feel free to include it in the comment section.